Hello everyone, welcome to Bunch of Opportunities. Today I'm come up with one interesting fellowship, which is Horizon Fellowship 2026. This is an opportunity to launch your tech policy career. If you have got a passion, hello everyone, welcome to Bunch of Opportunities. Today I come up with some interesting fellowship. Hello everyone, welcome to Bunch of Opportunities. Today I come up with one interesting fellowship, which is Horizon Fellowship 2026. This is an exciting opportunity to launch your tech policy career. And if you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe this video. If you want similar kind of videos and information like fellowship, scholarship, conferences, summer school, winter school, autumn school, regarding academia, professional activities across the globe, then this is your ultimate hub for discovering the best opportunities. So, if you got a passion for AI, artificial intelligence, biotech, or emerging tech, and you have ever wondered how real public policy gets shaping in DC, take around. I'm breaking down 2026 Horizon Fellowship, a fully funded program that places subject matter experts in the heart of US policymaking. You would like to want to make an impact? Okay, let's dive in. Let's talk about the fellowship. As it is called, the Horizon Fellowship is a full-time paid placement that connects people with deep knowledge, tech knowledge, to federal agencies, congressional offices, and think tank in Washington, D.C. And you will use your expertise to inform real policy while getting training, mentoring, and a supportive community. What are the eligibility criteria for this Horizon Fellowship 2026? This is for you if you are in early to mid career with demonstrated subject matter expertise in emerging technology like think artificial intelligence, biotechnology or biotech, data sciences, self-study projects, internships, coursework is all about depth, not your degrees. An application must have work authorization in the US. So you must have legalization to work in US. No visa sponsorship will be provided, though green card holders are welcome. So if you are a green card holders, then you are welcome. F1 opt holders may be considered, but STEM opt extensions are not eligible. You also need to be ready to relocate yourself and live in the DC area for the full time of your fellowship. So now let's deep dive into the benefits because benefits makes yourself comfortable to understand better and to motivate yourself for the fellowship. So here's what comes with the fellowship. Those who are full fellows, they will get 113K per year US dollar equivalent, and junior fellows 75K US dollar per year equivalent, and 15K US dollar healthcare for the support, and $3,000 professional development stipend. That means you will get $15,000 for the healthcare support and $3,000 for your professional development stipend. Besides, you will get $3,000 relocation support if you need it. Plus, you get training, one-on-one mentorship, and access to thriving alumni network. So this is one exciting benefit, I would say. that you will get the training, one-to-one mentorship, and access to having the alumni network. So by connecting any alumni network, you will just broaden your perspective, your your network through which you can gain your professional and personal development, no doubt. So now, how it works, like for the application process. So let's talk about step by step. At first, you have to apply before August 28, 2025 at 11:59, and for the training, it will be the duration is from January to March 2026. That means your training after application period is over. Your training will start from January 2026 and it will go until March 2026. Remote part-time policy training plus an in-person weekend in DC. Matching will be from April to May 2026, and these 2 months you will be connected to executive branch, congressional or think tank placements. Most fellows get multiple offers in this period of time. And placement begins in summer 2026, full time with salary and benefits. So the moment your placement started in summer, you will be considered as a full time with the salary and the related benefits. Timeline notes offer go out by November 2025. So now let's talk about some important dates that you should mark in your calendar. For the deadline, as I already mentioned, this is August 28, 2025, and training is from January to March 2026. And placement again starts from summer 2026, and offer will be sent you by late November 2025 if you got selected. Another big question is why it matters, why this Horizon Fellowship matters. What this really mean is if you are not just getting a job, you are building a pathway. Horizon boasts nearly 100 placement success and over 90% of alumni move into full-time policy or government roles. That means by attending this fellowship, you can secure yourself in a placement, and you should be happy to know that over 90% of alumni move into full-time policy or in the government roles. So if this sounds like your next big step, don't wait. Hit that apply link in the description. Get your materials in before August 28. And if you found this video helpful or you are thinking about a career pivot, like, share and subscribe this video. Drop your question in the comments if you have any. Maybe we'll bring on a fellow alum to chat live. You are at the edge of a real opportunity to shape tech policy, grow your impact, and launch a public service career. Appreciate you watching. Planning, keep growing. Till then, thank you.